if you are driving and you miss your turn, what you're supposed to do is go to the next intersection where it's safe to do so and turn around, whether it be a U-turn or turning down a side street, turning around there and going back the other way. But what you don't do is what this dick did. Oh, that's not cool.
What?
There's a Christie's smoke shop that was closed down, and I wonder if it's because of this e-cigarette shit.
Oh.
Put the fuck out of business.
That's terrible.
How do you do that? That fucking dick is blocking off the left lane of this fucking road because he needed to make a left and didn't know to get into that. Just go here and make a U-turn. Instead, you have to fucking... I can't... For the life of me, I can't fucking figure people out. They're so self-important. There's nobody else on the fucking road but them. It's absolutely amazing. So he felt it would be okay to stay in the left lane when there is a left turn lane and put his blinker on, if it was even on. I couldn't tell, and the dash cam couldn't tell either, just because of the angles, and block off the left lane on this road. There were, I don't know, 4 or 5, maybe 6 cars backed up behind him. They're now stuck because he missed his turn. And because it has a left turn lane there, it's its own left turn lane with its own light. And as such, now we have to wait for the light to go red. All the cars behind this guy are going to be stuck there for the light to change red. Then they're stuck for the light, all because he missed his turn and didn't just go to the next block. And as you'll see, the next block really wasn't that far. What are you going? 0.1 of a mile and 0.1 of a mile back? Oh, man, that's going to break the bank on your lease. And I don't even think the thing was leased. I don't know how new or old it was. But just the absolute inconsiderate nature of people is absolutely baffling to me. You know, do unto others as you want them to do unto you, and that kind of jazz and that. And it's all, you know, it's nice to think that way, but unfortunately society is not that way. And that's where the problem lies. I try to be kind to people. If I'm in the supermarket and there's a lady who comes up behind me with like 2-3 items, I will turn around and ask, would you like to go ahead of me, ma'am? And oftentimes, I've had them say to me, oh, that's really rather nice of you. Thank you. I didn't know there were such nice people left in the world. And I simply reply to them, you're right. I'm the last one. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click like. Make sure you click subscribe. And take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.